Good morning students. You again welcome to the class. Kids, last वीडियो में आपने adjectives को पढ़ा था और उसके definition को समझा था और हमने exercises भी solve किए थे. Today we will see the kinds of adjective. There are 5 kinds of adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and possessive adjective. Let's see them in detail. Adjective of quality. The word which describes the quality of a noun or a pronoun is called adjective of quality. ऐसे words जो किसी भी noun या pronoun की quality बताते हैं, उन्हें हम adjective of quality कहते हैं. Let's make it more clear by some examples. Number 1. Rana Pratap was a brave king. Here brave is describing the quality of the king, that he was brave. Second, Chandra is a clever boy. Chandra कैसा boy है? Clever. So it is the quality of Chandra. तो clever हो गया हमारा adjective. The second is adjective of quantity. The word which describes the quantity of a noun is called adjective of quantity. जो वर्ड्स किसी भी नाउन की क्वांटिटी बताते हैं, उन्हें हम एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी कहते हैं. You must remember that it won't be in numbers. The quantity will be expressed by some words such as some, little, sufficient, all, few, lot of, etc. The examples are My grandfather has enough property. Property की क्वांटिटी कितनी है? Enough. So it is the word that is describing the noun property. Second, Ravi wants some tea. Ravi को कितनी टी चाहिए? Some. Some is the quantity of noun tea. So some is adjective of quantity. Third is adjective of number. The word which describes the number of a noun is called adjective of number. Last kind आपने पढ़ा था quantity, जो हमें किसी भी नाउन की क्वांटिटी बताता है थ्रू वर्ड्स. बट एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर में आपको डायरेक्ट नंबर्स मिलेंगे. जैसे दिस बैंक हैज 6 ब्रांचेस इन दिस टाउन. इस टाउन में इस बैंक की कितनी ब्रांचेस हैं? 6. 6 इज द एडजेक्टिव दैट इज टेलिंग द नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस. सेकेंड इज द लास्ट मंथ ऑफ द ईयर इज डिसम्बर. विच मंथ ऑफ द ईयर इज डिसम्बर? द लास्ट मंथ. So this is also adjective of number. Students, आपको adjective of number में cardinal और ordinal दोनों types के number मिलेंगे. Hopefully you are aware of ordinal and cardinal numbers. A cardinal number is a number that says how many of something there are. जैसे 1, 2, 3, etc. An ordinal number is a number that tells the position of something. जैसे first, second, third, etc. The fourth adjective is demonstrative adjective. The word that points out a noun is called demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective किसी भी noun को point out करते हैं, such as this table is broken. Which table is broken? This one. So this is demonstrative adjective. Another one is that ball fell into the pond. Which ball fell? That ball. So that is demonstrative adjective. The last kind is possessive adjective. The words that show possession, relation or belonging after being replaced before a noun are called possessive adjectives. For examples, I went to my house. This is her dog. Here the words my and her show possession for the house and dog. So they are possessive adjectives. Students, one thing is notable here that my and her are placed before nouns. जैसे my है house के पहले and her place हुआ है noun dog के पहले, है ना? तो अब हम चलते हैं towards the exercise. The question is pick out adjectives and write its kinds. The first one is an old man came. How was the man? Old. So this is the quality of man and this is adjective of quality. These flowers are beautiful. Which flowers are beautiful? These. And this is demonstrative adjective. Her first issue is a daughter. His issue is a daughter, which is the first issue. So the word first is adjective of numbers. Several boys took part in this game. How many boys? Several boys. So several कौन सा adjective हुआ? Adjective of quantity. His horse has fallen ill. Whose horse it is? His. So the word his possession show कर रहा है. तो ये कौन सा adjective हुआ? Possessive adjective. Now हमारी exercise complete हो चुकी है. तो चलिए अब homework check करते हैं. The question is, underline the adjectives and write their names. The sentences are given in front of you. In this exercise also, आपको adjective को underline करना है और उसके सामने उसका name write करना है. Now, I hope you are well aware of kinds of adjectives and you can use it in your daily life. Thank you. Bye.